Hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually equip the USP-S in CS2. Now it's a different method on how to do it on Counter-Strike, the normal global offensive version. Now what you need to do is actually load up CS2 and go to the loadout. Once the loadout opens up, you have to equip the CT site. So simply pressing the CT site, and here go to the starting pistol, and as you can see the P2000 is equipped for me. Now from here, if you want to equip the USP-S, all you have to do is hold it with your left mouse button and you can drag it inside the slot for the starting pistol. And that's it. It's very easy, but you have to know. Now, if you still got any questions regarding this tutorial, please leave it in the comments down below, and I will try my very best to help you if you still get any other questions. Now, if this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thank you for watching.